Although there's been difficulty clearing the 500 boundary, it's still possible to advance into the 507 to 515 range, as long as price can maintain contact with 500 towards the end of the month. 490.65 still remains a solid lower boundary to watch. Retracing back down to it would be quite normal if the neutral to bearish sentiment of the past few weeks is maintained. In a scenario where stronger selling emerges, the 40.90 level can form the bottom portion of potential double or triple top ranges, in which case falling price can likely encounter progressively stronger support approaching the 470s. Airbnb stock price decisively cleared its IPO price range in the mid-140s, which now present a strong foundation, especially for the rest of this month. Even if there is a swift correction following last week's bull run, this area can likely hold firm heading towards March. The best case scenario would be for price to retrace back to the low 150s and the lower portion of the fib channel prior to the next attempt at surpassing 157, which only presents moderate resistance. Compared to the more important mark of the 165 level,